This is Scott Bauer with Prosper Trading Academy and your SIBO Vol 411. Even with yesterday's lack of movement in the markets, SPX implied vol rose to its highest since March. This Friday's at-the-money implied vol almost 50%, which drops to 34% for next Friday's expiration. And it all seemed to potentially be justified with the market movement that we saw today, as futures were up considerably prior to the CPI report, then reversed by about 2 to 3% after the report came out. At the close of the market yesterday, vol futures were in its steepest backwardation since June, with spot around 33.57, October just a week out at 32.11, November 31.82. Now with the CPI news out, that curve has flattened quite a bit, as the spot is roughly unchanged from where it was yesterday, while all of the VIX futures have upticked slightly. Yesterday, volume was 38 million contracts, which is about 10-12% below recent averages. Puts led calls by an 8 to 7 margin. In the SPX, 2.2 million contracts traded total, 1.3 to 1 put call ratio, and in the VIX, about 640,000, but only a 1.3 to 1 call versus put. XSP traded 27,000 contracts. VIX had heavy activity in October expiration, 26 through 29 puts, and the October 40 calls. On the equity side, Tesla, over 1.7 million contracts, 54% on the put side. Apple was also very heavy with 60% puts being traded yesterday. And then we looked at AMC, where we saw the October 14th $5.50 strike put traded 42,000 times. This is Scott Bauer with Prosper Trading Academy and your SIBO Vol 411.